Hey everybody, today we are looking at the Easily Grand model, and it is grand. It is one of the larger models that Pulte Homes makes in the entire Orlando region, and it is 6 bedrooms possible with 6 total baths if you build it out correctly. And the spacious floor plan has a loft, a media room, 2 additional bedrooms, and 1 additional bathroom on the second floor. Now, this particular home is located in the Isles of Lake Nona, and it's a beautiful master plan community with multiple models to choose from. You actually have product types from the townhome level all the way up to what you consider a luxury finish model in this particular community. So you've got products really ranging in the very high threes, probably in the range of the low $1 million range, depending on how you finish the property itself. And this model is gorgeous. It's over 4,000 square feet. And this home as well is featured amongst many Pulte neighborhoods. So this is actually a home that we can find for you in other parts of the Orlando metro area. But Lake Nona itself is very popular. It's got a lot of venues, a lot of art, a lot of restaurant shopping, access to a lot of programming. So there's a very high planned community where there's just a lot going on. There's just a lot of opportunity for you to meet your neighbors. There's, the different weekend activities that's promoting a lot of community environment and stuff like that. So it is very popular. And on that note, because it is that popular, the prices and even the percentage of year-over-year rent growth has just been climbing. So Lake Nona is particularly grown faster in its year-over-year rent appreciation. It is the fastest growing one in all as far as cities are concerned, 31% year-over-year. This is insane. And now, obviously, Disney's purchased a 60-acre regional campus here, so they are going to be bringing a lot of their employees from the California marketplace to work out of Central Florida, and they are breaking ground soon on, I would imagine, they just purchased the property itself, but for that 60-acre campus to get off the ground. So, but there's just a lot of opportunities. The community is very close to the Orlando International Airport. It's very close to UCF, and it's close to the East Coast. It's just a quick trip to the 528 to get to the beaches, and it's far enough inland to help you stay away from the hurricanes. Not to say you never see one, but they're just definitely less rare. But Lake Nona has very good architectural continuity around the neighborhood. So as far as the entire community is concerned, if you're going to Starbucks, if you're going to your random fast food joint, whatever it is, the aesthetics of the shopping centers and the aesthetics of even the college campuses, high schools, everything is just notched up a bit. It's just a little nicer, and it's usually pretty, there's a lot of commonality to everything. It kind of gels together, and it tilts towards, towards luxury, towards really sharp looking finishes. When you're traveling downtown, there's a lot of visible artwork, large pieces on display. Like ironwork and things, those really neat features that you see in a community that's just, it shows high pride, and it's well thought out. So for that, Lake Nona is very popular, and it's hard to say because I was a kid. I used to drive down Narcoossee Road, which basically is the main feeder artery north to south through Lake Nona, and I remember just being behind dump trucks going through pasture land, and it still has retained a lot of its natural beauty. So even though it's not pasture land per se anymore, there's just a lot of conservation areas, a lot of trees, a lot of different water features and things that just kind of have remained in place that builders have left as they've built through these communities. So just a lot of opportunity, and so if you are looking in the area and you feel like you want something that has a very high class feel from a community standpoint, and that's where you came from, let's say you're moving into Florida, Lake Nona is going to be one of the locations on the east side that really is going to hold that, especially if it's got to be newer. That's the thing. It's one thing to have, good community, higher class shopping environments and stuff, and there are a lot of that in Orlando. But a lot of times, the communities themselves have been around for a long time, and they're very nice. Think of Winter Park, very beautiful homes, but many of them are 50, 60 years old, and a lot of folks move into Florida for their first home purchase here, and for fear of pests and for fear of storms from the past, a lot of times they just feel more comfortable buying a newer home, and so then when it's like, I gotta have a new home and I want high-end aesthetics for the community, Lake Nona fits the bill. And there's obviously other options throughout the state, and particularly throughout the Metro Orlando area. There's other communities like Lake Nona that we could show you. However, these, there's not many like this, as far as Lake Nona is concerned. Just a very beautiful high-end area. It's done really well, and the future is bright for this particular community. So the other thing, if you are wanting to be in Lake Nona or really close to it, and your budget concerns come into play, and you're really kind of trying to make sure you don't become house poor, I would tell you that the closest you will get to it, townhome products around Lake Nona now are in the 300s. So if you are looking to live in an ownership capacity around Lake Nona, which you do not want to be in a rental capacity in this area because it's going up so fast, but you could easily, we could find you a great townhome product that would have a garage, that would have beautiful community aesthetics just the same, and those products would be around 300s. I don't think there's actually anything for sale in the 200s at all in the area anymore, unless you kind of go just outside of the community, which is definitely an option. And age of the build is going to be important too. So if you start, if you're looking at monitoring the budget, then you might be seeing something that might be 5 years old, something like that. So it won't be brand new anymore. Okay, but there's a lot of opportunity all over the city. So if you are looking to move to the area, and no matter what your budget is, even if you're trying to get the 200s or even the 100s, we can help with resale purchases from condos, different homeownership opportunities, link you up with great financing, and help you with the process. There's just a lot of different options, and if you're coming in from out of the area, there's a lot of things that we can do to make sure that you make a good decision. You buy it the first time the right way all at once. But that's it. This is the video. I'm going to kind of continue touring you through the home here, and stay to the end. I've got a couple different drops of the area to show you Lake Nona at the end of this video. So make sure you stay to the end, watch it through, and thanks for watching. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, it'd be a huge thank you to me to do that. Please give the video a thumbs up, as well as if you want more content on Central Florida real estate market, please subscribe to the channel. Please, please, please. Thanks again for watching, and I will hopefully get a chance to talk to you one day. Take care.
much for watching. Homeowners, are you looking to sell? Sell your house fast. No showings, no spring cleaning. Call for a free no obligation consultation and get your offer today. You set the closing date. Investors, are you looking to set up a profitable Airbnb, vacation home, single or multi-family property? If you want passive income, we offer full end-to-end service for investors. Homebuyers, if you're looking to purchase, we offer a commission rebate back to you at closing when you buy with us. Don't start shopping before you call us first. Upfront, we'll match your goals with the market area so you love your new home and only have to move once. Please, please, please give this video a like to help us keep pushing out great content. And for everything real estate, hit that subscribe button so that you can follow as we release new content. Thanks again for watching.